from beautiful Paphos. The time now at this video is 12:30, lunchtime. We'll drive from Chloraka towards Paphos and Yeroskipou. The temperature, the car says 21 degrees. For sure it fits much hotter under the sun. Lovely day, clear sky. I wanted to start the record a bit before when I was up to Chloraka. Nice views from up there. Anyway, this is we're going towards the King's Road. Petrol price still going up, 1,449 for a litre 95. A lot of tourists around. Season start well. It's like been continue anyways from the last season. It looks like it's gonna be a busy year for Cyprus. Good tourist season. As we're approaching towards the month of May, the high season it's usually June, July, August. We're about 3 million people visiting Cyprus, 2-3 million people at least. Some years more, some years less. Cyprus population is less than 1 million, so having 2 or 3 million tourists in a few months, it's really overwhelming. At the top of the King's Road. I will try to keep this video short so I can edit fast and upload today, so you get to see it at the evening probably, or maybe earlier. I get the chance to finish edit today. I just finished a business meeting and I have another one soon, so I'll try in the middle to also upload this video. This is a new bus stop, still under construction, almost there, hopefully soon. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna go to that harbor because if I go down to come back, it's still a lot of roadworks going on, and I don't have the time right now to do that. So this video has been going on for 6 minutes. We're going to record 2 more minutes. I should just stop it here as traffic. Just cut few scenes of the video, make it shorter so I can edit it together. I edit and upload today. Time now is 12:43. It's a mini golf here and golf carts. Yeah, we're under Yeroskipou. In hotel is a bit further up. And this is in front of us, it's Yeroskipou village. Big village, Yeroskipou village. Scene, it's on the right. Also you can see it's all the trees in front. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Forget to subscribe, like, comment.